Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? I am going to do a quick Sam's Club haul, and it's also kind of a vlog. I want to tell you guys some things. So I went to Sam's, and I want to show you what I got, and then I also want to show you how to make a delicious sandwich using items that I purchased from there. So the first thing is, I guess I'll make the sandwich, and then, well, no, maybe I should show you first what I bought. Excuse me, and then I'll show you the sandwich. Okay. So if I can return this camera. Okay. All right. So we picked up this 38 ounces of Pantene conditioner, and I believe it was $6. And then the same size in the shampoo, and this is for my husband. That's what he likes. I do not like Pantene at all. I use Suave, and if you saw my Kroger haul earlier, you'll see that I use the Suave and the green bottle. I've been using it for years. It's great for my hair. This works for my husband and my daughter because they both have curly hair, textured hair. But for me, I have really like thin, well, no, my hair's not thin. What am I trying to say? Straight hair. So it doesn't do well for my hair. So I told y'all in another video one day that I was doing cooking, and I always make fettuccine alfredo, and this is the absolute best brand, in my opinion, of alfredo sauce. It's really, really good. And this stuff in the store is about $3 for one jar. Sometimes $4. So I just happened to be looking. I didn't even know they sold this at Sam's, and I knew that I needed some. I got this pack of 3 jars was $5.98. So that was a great deal. And then we picked up some grapes. And this is 3 pounds red grapes, and it's the seedless kind, and they were $5.98. And then this chicken, which I've already cut some off and made my sandwich. But these are great ready-to-go chickens at Sam's, and they're $4.98. So that's what I use to make my sandwich, and I'm going to show you in just a minute how to make a delicious sandwich. And excuse my mess, y'all. I've been gone all day running errands and stuff, and so my house is not clean right now, but it's fine. I picked up this 30 count bags, 30 single bags of hot chips. My kids love hot chips, and this was $12 and something. So it's got the Flamin' Hot Cheetos, hot fries, the hot munchies, hot Funyuns, and then the Flamin' Hot Lime. So this is for the kids to have as a snack, or excuse me, or for them to have, like, you know, to take to school, because they pack their lunches. Well, I pack their lunches every day. But anyways, okay, so if you go to Sam's and look over in the bakery, they sell bread, and it's bread that they make there. And they have these rolls. This is what it looks like. I toasted mine. But you get a whole bag like this. Mine is empty. I just used all of them, and I didn't pick up any more. I asked my husband while we were there. I was like, do we need any bread? He was like, no. And of course we needed bread. Okay, but anyways, it's $5.48. If you can see that. So we're going to have to go back and buy some more. This bread is really good to have, like, in the morning with scrambled eggs. Now, I'm trying to stay away from bread. Now, I did have a sandwich today, but one sandwich, let's see. Well, one piece of this bread is 160 calories and 31 carbs, which is not good, but it's not that bad either. I mean, it's doable for a lunch. All I've had to eat today was a bowl of cereal, so I should be good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this camera down, and hopefully you guys can see me, and I'm going to tell you how you can make you a delicious, easy, quick and easy, but still a pretty healthy sandwich. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe that they may have these in wheat too. I'll check next time I go back. that may be a better option for you. But you don't have to use this bread. You can use whatever kind of bread that you want. We just happen to have this on hand, and I do like it. Okay. So all you're going to do is cut that roll open, okay? Get you some ranch. I bought this at Kroger. And you're just going to squeeze you a little bit of ranch in there. Not a lot, because the ranch is kind of fattening. All right. Then you get you some cheese. I use this Mexican 4-blend cheese. And we're going to hope that my camera is going to stay up. Hold on, guys. Let's see. Okay. Just get you a little handful of cheese. Sprinkle that in your sandwich. Okay. So we've got our bread. And we've got cheese. Now we're going to have some salad. I just got this Kroger bag of salad. Classic garden salad. So I'm going to grab me a little handful of this salad. And I'm going to sprinkle this in here. All right. See how that's looking good? Okay, now I'm going to go and get this chicken. And my hands are clean, guys. I just washed my hands. Okay, now I'm going to cut me a piece of chicken off. Just cut me a little piece of chicken like that. And we're going to put that in there. And then we're going to cut us another piece of chicken. Right like so. And, you know, just cut you a couple of pieces of chicken in there. 2 or 3 little pieces of chicken. And there you go. You've got you a healthy sandwich. It's delicious, inexpensive. If you wanted to put different condiments in there, you can. If you like hot sauce, you could pour you some hot sauce on there. But anyways, I'm gonna I've already had my sandwich and my lunch today. I had that and I had some grapes, so I'm good. And I have to leave here in a few minutes and go pick my daughter up from school. And she's always like, Mom, I'm hungry. So I'm just going to wrap this up and take this with me to give Sarah when I pick her up from school. Okay, so I'm going to show you the last thing that I picked up from Sam's. And I'm so excited about this, guys. When I was in Florida last week, we went to Sam's because I needed to see if their bakery had the same cake. They have wedding cakes, by the way. If you don't know that, if you don't go to Sam's, if you're not a Sam's Club member, I highly recommend you checking into it. The membership that I use is the regular membership, and it's $45 for the year. But they also have, if you go online, you can download or print out, or you can even show it to them on your phone if you have a smartphone. They'll have like a free daily pass if you want to just go in, or you could just go in and ask them, you know, I don't have a membership. Can I look around? And they're fine with that. And so, but with that membership, you do get 2 people. So like if you and your friend or you and your family member or something want to go in and split it halfway, that's a great idea too. But anyway, so we were in Florida. And I wanted to see, because they have wedding cakes there that are really inexpensive. So I wanted to see, I found a wedding cake that I like here at my, Sam's Club, but I was like, let me run in here while we're here in Florida and see if they have the same one, because if they don't, I don't know what I'm going to do. I can't order a cake and take it and drive in the car 7 hours. The cake would be totally ruined. So I went in, and no, they don't have the cake that I want. But anyways, they had these bikes, but they weren't in a box. They were all sitting up. They had like maybe 10 bikes, and I fell in love with this bike. Now, while we were there at our resort, they had bikes for us to ride, so it was really fun. And I think it may be the first time that me and all of my children, I'm saying all of them like I've got a lot of kids, but I think it's the first time that maybe me and my 2 children have ridden bikes together. I have not been on a bike in years. Now, let me see. Back before I had Sarah, so 9 years ago, I was on this kick, and Caleb was little. He was about 4, and he had a bike, and me and him every day would get out and ride bikes, and I lost so much weight riding that bike. It's great exercise, and it was fun. But anyways, I have gained some weight since I had Sarah, and I haven't been on a bike, but we did ride one while we were in Florida, and we really enjoyed it. So when we saw that bike at Sam's, it was not in a box, and I was like, I'd love to have it. It was a great price, but how was I going to get it home? I didn't have any way to get it home. So anyways, when we got home, Sarah was like, Mom, I really want you to get that bike so we can ride bikes together. And I was like, I really want that bike too. So I called to my Sam's. There's 2 Sam's. No, there's 3 Sam's in the city where I live. And I called, and they were like, nope, we don't carry it. It's, it's a seasonal bike. It's just mostly going to be like around the areas where people would ride bikes, around the beach, that kind of thing. So I called back to the Sam's in Florida, and I was like, hey, is there any way maybe you guys could ship it to me? No, but if you know somebody in the area that can come pick it up. I was like, I don't know anybody over there that can go pick up that bike. I was going to drive back to Florida just to pick up that bike. Anyway, so we went into Sam's today and happened to be just walking down the aisle, and lo and behold, I saw this bike. It was the only one they had, guys. It was like it was just waiting for me. Now, I don't know if I know how to put this thing together or not. Hopefully, my husband will. Hopefully, it won't be that hard. But this is a great deal. So, it's a Cruiser, 26-inch Cruiser by Huffy. And it is so cute. It's turquoise and white. And it's got this little rack on the back, like if you want to put something, if you're carrying groceries or something, I don't know. And then it's got this up here, the little basket, like if you want to carry something. And it's got a little bail. And then it's got a cup holder and a cell phone holder. I don't know if you can see that. But once I get the bike out and put it together and everything, I'll show it to you guys. So I am so excited about that. And I'm going to surprise Sarah today when I pick her up. I'm not going to tell her what I got. I'm just going to tell her that I have a surprise for her when she gets home. And she will be so excited that we can ride bikes together. Now, I won't be able to ride it today. It's actually cold here today. The weather here is crazy. Yesterday in the morning, it rained about half of the day, maybe until about 1 o'clock. And I was out running errands. And then all of a sudden the sun came out and it was warm and we were able to go out and walk and stuff. And I was hoping that I would get out and be able to walk again today. Today it is freezing cold. Like you actually need a coat on today. So you never know from day to day here what the weather's going to be like. But anyways, I am very excited to use this bike, guys, and I'll show it to you. And hopefully that'll help me to lose the extra weight that I need to lose. And let me see, what time is it? Because I'm just rambling. I've got to go pick Sarah up from school. Oh, I know what I wanted to tell y'all. If you watch this video to the end, I want you to leave down in the comments below, hashtag, let's see, what can you say? Just put hashtag love. Hashtag LOVE or hashtag and a heart, okay? That way I'll know that you watched it all the way to the end. All right. Now, what was I going to tell y'all? Oh, earlier I did a get ready with me video. I did it live. I did a get ready with me. I don't know what I did, guys. I checked on my phone a little later just to make sure that it had uploaded, and it did. It said it was uploaded, but then it had you know how you can go and it'll say one video is processing and it's uploading? And I was thinking to myself, well, is it trying to upload twice? Because it showed that it had already uploaded it, and I played it to make sure that, nothing was wrong with it. And I was in the middle of watching it, and I was like, okay, well, it looks good. I'm going to leave it. But the one that says processing, I was like, I don't want it to have 2 videos on there of the same thing. So let me go ahead and delete that one. It deleted both of them. I don't even know how it did that, but I'm really hurt that it deleted that because I spent a lot of time making that video. And I actually liked that video. It was fun and I enjoyed it. But anyways, if you guys know of any way, because most of the time I'm just on my phone uploading, is there anything I can do to get that video back? If you know, please leave me a comment down below and let me know, guys, because I would really like to be able to get that back. And that's the second time that's happened to me. There was another time that I accidentally hit something and deleted a video, and I'm like, I worked too hard on these videos to be deleting them. So anyways, that means all my comments were gone, and I'm guessing if I deleted, that takes my time away. I don't know how that works. If y'all know, let me know. But anyways, I'm gonna get off of here. I love you guys so much. Thank you. If you're new, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And y'all have a great the rest of your day. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.